Because when you have light in you, you're supposed to shine freaking bright up. You're supposed to shine freaking bright up. You're supposed to shine freaking bright. I'm killing it, yo. Beast mode activated. I'm killing it. I'm killing it. We have a
For normal individuals, misconception, misperception, or misapprehension of individuals who fall outside the spectrum.
How you know you're the chosen one?
As normal.
That's
so
the
today's lecture will be centered around mental disorder. Our primary focus is bipolar, and we're going to take a cross-disciplinary, a multidisciplinary, a transdisciplinary, and an interdisciplinary approach to mental disorder. So we are approaching mental disorder or mental diseases or spectrum or chronic disorder from quite a peculiar perspective.